Hello there. Today I learned about how to make my own functions and how to use a while loop. I can show this. I did a lot of projects today on this Reborg's world, which is actually a really good way to learn this stuff. I'm just gonna show you the final two challenges. Let's see here. Yeah. So I needed to program a robot that needed to move all the way to the flag. But to do that, I needed to follow a lot of conditions and use a lot of different functions for it to work. So first, I wanted to make first I needed to make a while loop and have the different conditions to know what to do depending on where the robot is. Let's start this one. So now it knows it's a wall, it should turn left. Now it's nothing around it, it should turn right. And then it continues like that. If it's a wall next to it or in front, if it's a wall in front of it, it turns left. If it's a wall to the right, it just moves forward, and so on. What is while loop? Why this while loop is better than a for loop is because this can go into the infinitive or until this condition is false. So now you will see soon that when the robot reaches the flag, it will reach its goal and the while loop will stop. In a for loop, I need to know the conditions or a range to know if I actually, let's see, I need to already know where the flag is. Here it will just be randomly generated. So then the distances between the hurdles can be different each time. I can show in a different one here. Every time it gets randomly generated. So I can't use a for loop because I don't know how the track should look. The while loop is easy because then I just know that while at this goal, which is already a function they have in this little game, let's go, it will stop. So if I can explain my little code here. If the robot has something to his right, or if we can do this here. The while loop always starts from if the right is clear, move over. If not, wall is in front. Now, if the right isn't clear and there's a wall in front, it will turn left. Otherwise, it will just move forward. So here you see, okay, the right is clear. There's no wall in front of him. Now he will start to do the move over function. My move over function is for him to turn left 3 times, which is basically turn, 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 and it's a turn to the right. Then he will move 1 step. Now here, there's nothing on his right, just move over again. Dunk, 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 moves. Now, here it's a wall to his right. There's a wall in front, however, so now it turns left. Now, it's a wall in front. It turns left again. And now it's nothing in front of him. So we'll just keep moving. And then it will do the move over, move again, and so on. Simple and easy. But the final challenge was my maze. And I knew that here I wanted it to just hug a side and follow the side for the easiest way to just finish the maze. And this one does the job perfectly. Just hugs the side and goes to. So now, let's see here if it hugs the side. Oh, yes. This is the situation I was looking for last time. If it does a loop, now I have to do some debugging to do. Because last time I tried it like 5 times, never got this loop. Nice. Okay. But if it doesn't spawn on a weird spot like it did right now, if it spawns like right here, it's just gonna hug the wall and continue perfectly until it reaches its goal finally. Nice, I had to do some debugging. But yeah, that was just today's lessons, to learn about while loops and how to make my own functions. So it was kind of fun, kind of easy, because I like the visualization. I also learned about the data system in Linux and how it's hierarchical, and what the different directories are in root and so on. And now we'll just debug this one and move. And then tomorrow I will do day 7. Thank you and have a good day.